Model 2019 Ford Transit 352.0 TDCI Luton box van tail lift wet Cambelt issues none runner 99k miles VAT inclusive. Body white Luton box. Mileage 99,992. MOT the 7th of August 2025. Engine 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: none runner, engine turns over but it is popping drone the intake, Cambelt is perished, suspect wet belt has jumped, shredded its teeth, engine needs repairs, very common problem, you could get away with just belting this up. Thinking face who knows take a chance either way will repair, grin. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been